Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to lens blur and Alight Motion. To create the lens blur effect and Alight Motion, you can apply a blur to your video or specific parts of the project. Here's how to achieve this effect step by step. First things first, launch the Alight Motion app on your device. Tap the plus icon to start a new project. Choose your project settings like aspect ratio, resolution, and frame rate. And tap Create Project. Tap the plus icon at the bottom right. Then tap Media. Choose your video. Then tap on it to add a video from your device to the project. The media will now appear in the timeline. Tap the layer on the timeline to choose it. Tap the Effects button at the bottom. Tap the Add Effect. Then go to the Blur section. Choose one of the following blur effects to simulate the lens blur. Gaussian blur provides a smooth, soft blur like the out of focus areas in photography. Radial blur adds a blur that radiates from the center, resembling a bokeh or lens blur effect. Zoom blur creates a blur that simulates zooming in or out from the center, adding a dynamic lens effect. So for now, I choose Gaussian blur. Tap on Standard Settings. Adjust the blur strength slider to increase or decrease the intensity of the blur. For more dynamic effect, increase the blur amount. And for a subtle effect, reduce the blur strength. Now, let's animate our blur. To animate the blur, for example, make the blur stronger or weaker over time, you can use the keyframes. Now move the playhead where you want the blur to start and adjust the blur strength. Tap the keyframe icon, the diamond shape, next to the blur strength setting. Move the playhead to another point on the timeline and set a different blur strength to animate the blur gradually. Once everything is done, tap the play button to preview the lens blur effect action. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.